Jio as India's biggest telecom service provider with over 388 million customers on board. But they are a lot more than that. Lately, Jio has been pretty much everywhere you turn. If you want to chat or share some media with your friends or family, you have Jio Chat. If you want to do some video conferencing, you have Jio Meet. If you want to do online shopping at home, you have AJIO and JioMart. Want to hear some music? You have JioSaavn. Stream some movies? You have Jio TV and Jio Cinema, and also Jio TV Plus is on its way. They have apps literally for every digital services you might need. Jio News, Jio Security, Jio Switch, Jio Cloud, Jio Health Hub, Jio Browsing, Jio Home, Jio Gate. You get it right. All these Jio apps combined have a total of 475 million downloads. But if you look at the interface of those apps, some of them would resemble the interface of few popular apps with the same function. For example, let's see what Jio Chat looks like. Did you guys figure out? Doesn't it look the exact same as the most popular app used for chatting, the WhatsApp? And again, Jio Meet is basically a rip-off of the app called Zoom, which is the most used video conferencing app ever since the lockdown started. Jio is basically looking for the right moment. They designed their apps to fulfill the need of the hour. For example, with the pandemic going on, people prefer not to get out of their houses, so they need online shopping for their groceries. Boom! JioMart launches. People need to attend video conferences during lockdown. Jio Meet launches. People are sitting at home right now, they need entertainment. They introduce Jio TV Plus. Speaking of Jio TV Plus, the streaming platform, it is a one-stop solution with over 12 other OTT apps content, including services like Netflix, Amazon, Disney, YouTube, etc. And also, not to mention the Jio Glasses. The way it was demonstrated on stage, it looked like a device with great functionality. It also demonstrated the experience of video conferencing and screen sharing in 3 dimensions. It seems like a great piece of technology, but let's talk about that when it actually launches in the market. Jio is pretty damn straight on developing their business. It is now a zero net debt company. Mukesh Ambani, the CEO and founder of Jio, is now the 5th richest man in the world and Asia's #1 richest man. Just look at all the investments made on Jio. You can see a lot of different companies, but some of these investors are going to make a very huge impact on the company's future. Especially the top 2 investors, Facebook investing a $5.7 billion for a 10% of share, and Google with a $5 billion investment for a 7.7% share. Facebook is the world's largest social networking website, and everyone around the world know what Google is capable of. Also, not to mention some other huge investors like the Intel Capital, a company which manufactures the core processors for the computer, investing $253 million, and Qualcomm, a leading manufacturer of the smartphone chipsets, investing $97 million on the company. Jio have also designed and developed a complete 5G solution not only for India but also to be exported throughout the world. Most of the developed countries do not have 5G services yet, but this would be a huge step forward for India. And since Jio has developed its own 5G solution, Qualcomm, being a partner with Jio, might develop a 5G chipset for smartphones specifically for India, maybe even at lower cost. Google and Jio together are planning to develop an Android-based operating system specifically for India. It is part of Google's plan to increase access to hundreds of millions of people in India who don't own a smartphone yet. We were talking about Jio looking for opportunities to succeed, right? With all these Made in India campaign and boycott China trend going on right now, there is a very high possibility that if Jio manages to launch a smartphone, a quality smartphone, in the mid-range or the premium segment in the upcoming years, it will be a huge success for the company as well as for the country. Well, what do you guys think of Jio, its investments and services? And the most important question is, if at all Jio launches a smartphone in the future, will you be buying it? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. If you like this video, thumbs up would be amazing. Share it to your friends. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. Once again, my name is Rohit and this is Tech Vortex, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.